In this lesson, we're going to look at opening, creating, and saving files in Word. As you see, I have the new section pulled up in Backstage to create a new document. Now, by default, when you run Word, a blank document is created. If you want to get to this space where I am now, we simply click the File menu and go to New. Now, you'll see some differences from 2012. Mainly that templates are more prominently displayed, and that to find a template we now search for it instead of using the categories that we did before. So if I click Resume here, you will see some templates pull up. To use a template, I simply click it. It'll give me a rating, the download size, who provided it, and if I click Create, that'll download it and create it. So we'll create this resume here, and it'll fill in information that it knows already. So it knows my name, so it'll just put my name at the top. I don't have any other information in there for it to fill in, but if I put in an address, a city, state, zip, etc., it would fill that in as well. So that is a simple way to create a file in Word. Now, on the certification exam, you probably will not be doing that, but of course it's good to know how. So let's go back here. I'm going to get out of that, get out of this, go back here to our main window. Now let's look at opening files. So if we click Open on Backstage, we have various options. We can look at recent documents. We can pick from our SkyDrive if we have it connected, or we can pick from somewhere on the computer. So if I go to Computer, I can find a recently accessed folder, or I can browse. I can also add a place. Again, you might do this on your certification exam to open sample text to paste in, but typically that text will be presented in a notepad document, and you will not be doing that. So let's go ahead here to SkyDrive and let's open a file. Do I have any files here? No, this is my blank SkyDrive. So let me open something on the computer. Notice browsing the SkyDrive is just like browsing a window, very intuitive on the computer. Let me open a file here. Let's see. Okay, this was a invoice that I created a long time ago for a client. So we'll just use this as a sample. Notice you double click it, it pops right up. Now to save a file, I'll make a change here. We'll delete this phone number, and we'll change this address to P.O. Box 125, Greensboro 27401. My address changed or whatnot, and then I want to put today's date, which is Monday, May 20th. Notice if I just start typing the date, start typing the day, Word will prompt me to insert today's date by hitting the return key. Now if I want to save this, so I can go to Save and save it. Remember, Save saves it just how it was. It'll save it in the same format with the same file name. So I can also go to Save As here, and I again have the same options as I did with Open, the exact same options. I can save it to my SkyDrive, I can save it to the computer, or I can add a place. Let's put it on my SkyDrive. So if I click Browse, it'll open the window. We'll put it in the Documents folder here. We're going to convert it to the new format, the 2007 and later format. This is the 2003 document, and I'm going to hit Save. Now it saves it to the SkyDrive just as if it was a local thing, as it was a local machine, local folder. So SkyDrive is fully integrated into the Office window. Now on the certification exam, probably will not be saving files or creating new ones, but now you know how to do that on your own in case you want to create a file. So next, in our next lesson, we will look at document formatting and navigation.